DJN TV. Update for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJN TV and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb video. I am Umaru Latifa. DJN TV. DJN TV.
If the world needs people who have courage of conviction, it is now. There is a major crisis of what is right and what is wrong. We're forgetting that we need each other. We're forgetting that we need to look out for each other. We're forgetting that except the least of us is taken care of, that the best of us cannot survive. We're forgetting that it's one world and it's a very small world. I've traveled across all the continents and I can tell you, we need each other. It's such a small world that if we don't learn to love and respect ourselves and forget those things that we think are important but are actually unimportant, and if we do not have the courage to speak up when we should, then we set every one of us up for trouble. Take a child from every local environment in this world, no matter their tribe, the color of their skin, their language, or where they come from. Put them all in one room, and you would find them as a team, playing together, supporting each other, except you teach them otherwise. They will work together to solve every problem that you give to them. That's what we need to be. We need to go back to being children of the world again. We need to be a people who believe in love, in faith, in kindness, in caring for our neighbors in a way that together we can find the solution of the world. We need to understand that not a single one of us is an island to itself, that every single one of us holds a piece of what is required to build the right world where we can all survive. Whether you're a business person or you're a career person or you're someone who is working in whatever field, we have one home and we share it together. We either protect it, we fight for it. In fighting for the world together, we fight for ourselves. In building a better world, we build a better home for every single one of us. In building a better future, we build a future for our children. It's a small world. It's too small for divisions.
Good day, fellow Edolites. My name is Edith Isokpan, a governorship aspirant for Edo 2020. I am contesting on the platform of my dear party, African Action Congress, AAC, towards the governorship election holding on 19 September 2020. Highlights of my academic backgrounds include a BSc certificate in Government and Public Administration and Master of International Law and Diplomacy, both of which were obtained from the Imo State University and the University of Lagos, respectively. I'm also an Associate Fellow of the Nigerian Institute of International Affairs. During the 2019 elections, I contested for a seat in the State House of Assembly. We achieved giant strides connecting with and feeling the impulse of the people in Nwonde, which is my constituency. And this experience exposed me to the daily needs and life of the people. The baseline of all I experienced is that the people crave good governance. They boldly expressed their displeasure with the situation of things in the state. At the elections, malpractices were the order of the day. Today, it is no secret that the seat I contested for is still vacant in the House. I have now moved on with pursuing the core part of the commission I received to serve the people, which is to retrieve the people's treasures from the python's mouth and use it for their benefit. Let us come together and achieve it. This is the core. Within my own capacity, I have used my NGO to improve people's lot in education, visiting schools with my charities. That was my own vision in order to checkmate poverty in the future of the state.
My people, happy Sunday. I greet you now. Now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening, now good night. Anywhere for the world, it's my broadcast. Now me, my brother and my friend, Commander AKA the Stone Boy 1. Yeah, I wanna go Akpana be Abolo. Akpana be Abolo. Understand? What you meet me your command? This afternoon be seen we know see election they want corner. Governor election. They want corner now for September 19. Because no say we Benin, we want to party bossing a warner. I go na Meroji. Those who don't understand that parable, who tell them to say, you, have you seen your sister the contest for governorship election? If you get party when you support before, you lead that party, you support your sister. You understand? Because nothing go support on that party, me your sister, no. You know work. For me, na Pastor Ize-Iyamu, now me the support before. When I go see my sister, the contest for governorship, I was okay, may I support my sister. I know some special grace of God, he go win. He win, not win. Go see no some this is brother, you see campaign for him. Understand? Now see you be my people. I beg my dope people all over the world when I did. When I don't stay without Nigeria. I beg. Woman want contest for governor. What man no fit do, woman go fit do am. What man no fit do for how many years? Woman go fit do am. I beg, most support this our fine sister. Edith Isokpan. The party we for come out now AAC. Oshowore party. Now we come out. I beg, more join more poor join our sister. More support her. More support her. May God do one. May win the governorship election. When they come up for September 19, 2020. All those PDP, APC, my people, more leave what those one. Women, Arijima, Ije, Waye, Owiwaladian, Owe governor, Edo State, Okwo, we support her. Why are they paying Betty? Nederio. Owiwa now, off here, Edo State, where Edo State, you come abroad. See, not zero. Some below though, some just here for the store guide you. I see guide you so. Some just guide you. Now be so guide you. This Edith Isokpan, he go change that Edo State to abroad. I tell you now, more support her. I beg. The youth of Edo State, me not support women, me not live with those men. All those men, they don't talk money. This is so it's not the first time to contest for governor. He go school well. Me not support women. All those men, me not support them. Support this woman. I don't think go change. I beg una, I beg. AAC. The next governor of Edo State, Edith Isokpan. My lovely sister, I wish you good luck. And I congratulate you. I know that special grace of God, you will make it in Jesus' name. Nobody, no man, no woman can stand your way. You stand with that chair. They'll swear you in November 11. I bet you. I love you all. Please share this video and leave your comment for your comment section. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up. I love you. May God bless you. Sister, I wish you good luck. Congratulations. Great AAC. Edith Isokpan. I love you, my love sister. May God bless you. In Jesus' name, amen. One love, man.
you to pursue your aspirations under AAC? What will you be doing differently if you give it a chance? So, first, get a flag of the party, and second, govern the state. What will you be doing differently if given a chance? It's quite rare to see women in the race at this point. Now, first, what would be your message to women out there who may also want to vie for positions but feel intimidated probably by the presence of men?
No one should feel intimidated. No one should want. One thing I believe is, if you have good intentions, you want to serve them, go for it. You don't need to be afraid. A lot of people have told me, why are you going for this state where woman is very dangerous? I said before, the authors are possible. I have done it before. I protested for state house of assembly. Last election. Now I'm here. It's something that women need to participate in politics. But with the help of women, things can be done better.
Okay. But madam, are you in any way apprehensive about bigger political parties in Edo State?
Not at all. Not at all. I'm confident. I don't believe in bigger parties. What I believe is what is happening.
Okay, madam, one message for the people of Edo State. One message for the people of Edo State.
The people of Edo State should see me as a gift to them, and they shouldn't lose this opportunity. I'm the only one that can retrieve this training and use it to better their life. That was what it was saying, and that is what.
Thank you very much for your time, ma'am. Very good. Commitment for the
They'll go give my son away.
Hello.
Where's your mom?
DJ NTV.